Hello and welcome everybody to this video. In the previous video we showed you how to generate images and put images inside the main website. Now we need to take this website further. So I need to change the whole content of the website using ChatGPT. So basically you need to take a whole screenshot of the whole content of the website. So let me just go here to extensions. There's an extension in Chrome called Go Full Page. So if you search for Go Full Page extension, you're gonna navigate it to this page, Go Full Page. You download this extension to your Chrome by add this to Chrome, and after that you're gonna see it here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna navigate to the website. And I'm gonna take a whole screenshot of the whole content. So we're gonna go here to Go Full Page, click on that extension icon, Go Full Page, and after I take the whole page, I'm just gonna download it in PDF file, as a PDF file. So once that downloaded, take it to your files if you have like files, and then you can also download it as a PNG if that suits you. So we gotta download it as a PNG as well. So you're gonna take that format and or put it in a certain file here. So here I just put the website, the two screenshots as PDF here inside my file. So now I need to go to the ChatGPT, start a new chat, and basically I'm gonna introduce the business. So what I told ChatGPT, I told it we are adult towing server located in Kenner. We offer car towing, vehicle towing, truck, SUV. Our phone number is this. Our website is this. I need your help to generate some content. So generally this is gonna generate some content for you. And what I did, I just went to the website, Control A, select the entire content, and then copy it. And then come back to ChatGPT with all the details. Just pasted this, and I said, okay, my current website template is coming. I need to replace all the content. So I just put all this content, and wow! After this, we just got this generated content from ChatGPT. That's good. You can use this way actually. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna do the same thing, but based on the screenshot. So now we need to update our landing page. So I'm going to give you the content and screenshot of the current template in PDF and PNG. So I need you to update the content to match adult towing service. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here I'm gonna go to the folder, and let me go to that folder, and then drag and drop these two files, these two images. Yeah, so I just dragged the two files. No text could be extracted from this file. So anyway, I just added the file that's working, and now I'm telling ChatGPT that we need to update our landing page according to the screenshot. So I need to replace the current template. So yeah, so this is to match agile towing, and I can say, and the current content is, I'm just gonna give it the current content. So the current content, basically you go to the entire website, Control A or select all. You have here more tools, I think. I don't know if there is a tool. Yeah, maybe find and edit. So there's no tool that you can select the whole content. So you need in the keyboard, you click Control A or Command A, and then copy. You just copy, and once you copy that, you go to the ChatGPT chat and insert the text. Alright, so I'm just gonna update the content. So now you're gonna generate the whole content of the website. Here you can see, please update the PDF as well. I can assist in updating the content. Yeah. Alright, let me try update the PDF. So this is the PDF. Okay, seems the PDF is not working. Just work on what you got. Okay, so now I'm gonna generate the new content. So you can see here, this is the home, about adult towing service. This is the main, let me say this is the main tagline or the main hero section. This is the our services section. This is the contact us section. This is the why choose adult towing. This is the customer testimonials. All right, sounds good. This is the frequently asked questions. That sounds good. So now I generated the whole content of the website. Now I can start mapping the content to ChatGPT. So in order to do that, basically, you start editing the website. So you go to the main page, you click here, auto edit with Thrive, and you start editing the whole content. So let me start editing. First, a title. So we got that title, the home page. So you got that title. So I think we can get started with it, but notice how the structure is defined. So what I'm gonna do here is gonna try the second way in order to generate the content. So I'm gonna inspect the content, and then we'll go to the body of the page. So this is the body of the page. Click edit as HTML. All right, right click edit as HTML. Control A, Control C, or you can copy actually. And once you've done that, I need to go to the chat again, and I'm gonna say this to ChatGPT. Now I need to give you the actual HTML page. So you need to understand the structure and give me the text for each section from top to bottom to match adult towing service. Alright, so I'm just gonna give it the text, or let me say the text. There's a lot of script tags here. You can keep them, but I'm not gonna give the script tags actually. Alright, and just gonna give it to the ChatGPT. So let me submit the whole text, the whole structure of the current theme, so we can update the text. So there was an error, regenerate. Okay, we click on regenerate again. Still we got that error. So if you receive the same message, just refresh the ChatGPT and go to the website, this website, text-area.link. I'm gonna do the same thing again. So I'm gonna go to the website, inspect, we go to the body, edit as HTML, and then go text-area.link. So with this link, I'm gonna try to remove all the script because I need to minimize the text. So you can use this tool, or you can use other tools like Sublime or Notepad++, for example. Any text editor, you can work with it. So I'm gonna go open my text editor and then put the text here. So I'll search for the word script. I'll search for the word script. So click Control F on the keyboard, search for the word script, find all content in the document. So here we start here. I need to go language HTML, and you can see here this line start at line 256 and ends here. So I need to start taking out all the script tags because I need to minimize the content. So we have here also script. We have also here also script. So I'm gonna take all the script tags, count. We still got one. All right. Also gonna try to take out all the styles. So let me search. We got some styles. Okay. So gonna take the content after I remove the script to ChatGPT again. Okay, now based on this content, extract the text. So extract, understand the text. That's what I'm going to tell ChatGPT. Based on this content, understand the text in order to be replaced. Alright, and after that, just going to give it the text. Still, we receive that error. So the message you submit is too long, please reload. So in order to solve this issue, there's multiple scenarios. Actually, you can save this. You go save. And once you go save, you can save it as HTML actually. So we're gonna go here, save, and just gonna say template. Okay, template. And once I saved it as a template, I'm gonna tell it again. Based on this content, understand the text in order to be replaced. Give me the new text to suit adult towing from top to bottom. Alright, so I'm gonna attach an HTML file here. So the saved file, we'll add it here. The template HTML, we'll try add it here. So based on this content, understand the text in order to be replaced. Give me the text to suit adult towing from top to bottom. Gonna try this approach. So now I just organize the whole content as HTML. So now take a look here. You can see first we can start with header navigation. Now we have home, services, testimonials, about, contact, follow us. This is the main section. The hero section, reliable towing service when you need the most. Adult towing service located in Kenner. So here, get started, learn more. The key services metrics. We got all these, statistics. Why you choose us? This is the section. The customer testimonials. We start with adult towing. This is the whole content, guys. So now, I think there's missing sections here. So I'm gonna give it the text, and the whole text. I'm gonna copy the whole text of the document, Control A, and then come here. I think you missed the direct call to action should be call us now, and facts are missing as well. Please make it perfect and try add the rest of sections. So you're just gonna paste the original sections, all right, and try to make it perfect. So now you can see we're trying to get a much better version that includes the navigation, the here section. So now we are more focused on Kenner. That's really cool, good. The Call Us Now, the Learn More, Achievements, Services, the Meet the Team, Customer Testimonials, and get started with auto towing today, the facts, and the footer, and also the links: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So now I got the content. I generated the whole content of the website based on the template, and that's really smart and really cool. So as you can see, we started first, as a summary, we started first with basically introducing the business, the main services, the website, the Call Us, and then we tried to give it the content, generated some content, and we already generated that content, and then we tried to replace the content with the template, and then we also generated customer testimonials. I tried to upload the design, the whole screenshot of the website. All right, you can see we generated some content. That's really helpful. And finally, I used that HTML file for the original template, and I showed you how to generate it using Notepad and how to take out the unnecessary script, and then uploaded that file to ChatGPT based on this content, understand the text in order to be replaced, and give me the new text suit, auto towing from top to the bottom. So now I got the whole content from top to the bottom. Just generated some content, and then after reviewing the content, I say, all right, we missing facts section, so I need that to be included. So that right now you can see, now I got the final version, the final completed version with all the section, with all the content for the main website, for the main content of the website. So the next step, we're gonna take this content and match it to this page. So see you in the next video.